everyone, so welcome to the online learning platform of Yourpedia. This is Manpreet, and in today's video we are going to discuss the PYQs of the reasoning section that was asked by Airport Authority of India at junior executive post, which and the paper was conducted on 26 March 2021. Yes, with this video and with this lecture we are just discussing the PYQs, and through that one you get to analyze that what type of questions was asked in this particular section and the level of questions as well, right? So without wasting any further moment, let's discuss an important thing here, that Yourpedia is going to launch a new batch which is completely based and completely related to Airport Authority of India's new vacancy, that is in the airport operations in the junior executive post. Okay, so for that one, if you want to join that batch, and if you are a beginner and just want to know that ki how the level of the exam was in the previous year as well as कि आने वाले time में कैसा होगा, so for that one you just have to join the batch, and after analyzing this particular video and finishing that video आपको पता भी चल जाएगा, you get to know that कि आपको batch को join क्यों करना चाहिए. And details about the batch is that कि जो हमारा batch है, the first batch regarding the Airport Authority of India's new vacancy is going to be launched on 27th of July. Yes, from this Monday we are going to start our new batch, and अगर आप उनमें join करना चाहते हैं, if you want to join that batch, then you get a number, जो number आपको link में दिख रहा होगा, you can handle your query at that particular number. तो आप वहाँ पे call करके अपना doubt clear कर सकते हैं, batch को join कर सकते हैं. So let's now start our reasoning first question that was asked in this particular exam. And this exam is related to the morning batch. तो morning shift में हुआ था आपका ये पेपर, तो उससे related हम questions देखने जा रहे हैं. So students, there are around 15 questions in the reasoning section. So the first question is completely based on the pattern based right figures, right? तो pattern based आपकी यहाँ पे figure रहती हैं. You just have to analyze the pattern here and find out the question marks answer should be what. And according to that one, in the very first figure, but you have seen that कि यहाँ पे आपको एक circle के अंदर you have seen that there is a circle, and in between the circle there is some figure, right? So the figure is getting in the which pattern, we just have to find out that one. तो अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, if you look at this one, so students here this is completely a mirror image, है ना? So this is completely a mirror image. How? So students, analyze this point. There are three dots which are on the left side of this first image, and these three dots get shift to the right side in the second figure. It means this image is getting reverse, right, from left to right position, and on the same basis we just have to find out कि इसका inverse, the reverse order of this particular figure is what, right? So for that one you just see that there is a star given here and there is some circle, some small circle, we can say that, and we just have to find what, the circle shift to the next side in the mirror image, right? So let's just see which image shows the same. Option number A shows the same, but here the circle gets changed, right? The star gets changed. So here the figure says that the two black parts of the star are at the top as well as on the right side. But here यहाँ पे आप देखो तो ये shift नहीं कर रहे. The top part of the star is blank or white, we can say that. So we just have to find the same pattern. So accordingly, if you have seen that in the option number D, the top side of the top part of the star is blank, and the second one is also blank according to the figure given here, right? So on that basis we can say that yes, this is the perfect mirror image of the particular figure, right? So accordingly the right answer is option number D, and we have find that one according to this pattern as well. Okay, so there is another circle at the top as well in this particular one, and it doesn't need to change the position because in the mirror image the left side change into the or converted into the right side only, right? So from that angle we can say that option D is the right answer for this question. Now let's just move to the next question and see what topic they have covered in the second question. So the next question is from the topic. Students, I will say also that ki the topic from the which one this particular questions are have been raised or in front of you. So I will discuss that one also, right? So the second question is from the topic of coding and decoding. So in this one, you just have to find that key how the letter formation is done here. You just have to find the pattern here. We have find it in the previous one as well, what pattern followed there and what pattern is followed here. We just have to find that one. So accordingly, if you have seen that, then you just have to write the positions of the letters, right? So the position of U is 21 and the position of A is 1 and the position of N is 14, E's position is 5. G's position is 7, I's position is 9. If there is any doubt in the mind of any of you, is that ki how we are going to set the positions. So students, in the topic of coding and decoding, we just have to locate or find the positions of the letter based on the alphabetical series from A to Z. We just read that na. So in the alphabet series, we just have to find the position that U जो है वो 21 position पे ही आता है. And there are some mnemonic codes as well, through which one you just learn the positions very easily. Okay, so Z comes on 26th position and M is on the 13th position. Now we just have to find the pattern behind this. तो क्या pattern follow हो रहा है, we just have to follow that one. So अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, if you look at this one, तो the pattern followed here is that, yes students, so the pattern followed here is that firstly you just see that ki 21, 14, right? We are taking the first letter of each and every series given here or terms given here. So the next one is 7, G occupied position, right? So if you have seen that there is a subtraction of -7 in between. So it means the next letter, which is 26, that is completely based on, we can say that 0. And now we just have to follow the reverse order of the alphabetical series, क्योंकि G के बाद में if they are taking Z, then we have to move in the reverse order ना. Z में we just have to subtract -7. So if you subtract 26 में से 7, then you are getting another number which is 19. So the position that occupied by 19 number is S. तो इसको कैसे याद करते हैं? How do we remember that one? So S को 19. So we are remembering the number 19 in the Hindi language, that is 19. तो स आ जाता है at the last, so we can say that स in Hindi can be pronounced as S in English, right? So from that angle we just find the very first letter of our question mark. Now just come to the next one. So we have seen that A is there, which is 1, the next position is 5, the next position is 9, the next position is 13. So we have to find the other one, the second letter occupied number, right? So 1 plus 4 is there, plus 4 is there and plus 4 is there. It means the next number or the next position and the next letter is 13 plus 4, which is 17, and the letter which occupied at 17th position is Q, right? So from that angle we just find the second letter of the question mark. So the answer is option number A. SQ is the right answer for this question, right? I hope you understand the question as well. Now we just have to move to the third question. The level of the question is easy one. If you are the beginner and you are seeing the video just for that one, that you just want to know that कि question किस level के आते हैं, for that one, if I talk about the level of this particular question, then it is on the easy side. अगर आप cover कर लोगे coding and decoding, then you come to know that yes, it is very easy part, right? So now let's just come to the third question. So the third question of the day is that one, कि you just have to find out that if energy is related. So there is a point here is that which is covered in the topic of analogy, right? So in the topic of analogy means you just have to find the relationship. So the relationship of the first two is that you just have to find that how energy is related to joule, and similarly you just have to find out volume is related to which term on the same relationship point here, okay? So now energy is related to joule, how? So we can say that yes, the SI unit of energy is joule, sorry, and now the SI unit of volume. So the SI unit of volume is what? You can say that from the options that the SI unit is liter. So the right answer is option number B. Kilogram and grams are used to measure the mass, right? So these are used to measure the mass, and grams are also included in that, and meter is used to measure the length or the distance. Okay, so that's why the proper or the perfect relationship is established by the option number B, that is liter. Okay students, so now let's just come to the next question. So the next question is from which topic? Let's just see. So again, a question based on the series where you have given a number series. In the second question, we have seen that alphabet series are there, letter series is there. Now it's time for the number series. So the numbers are 2, 3, 4, and how it is related to 12, we just have to find that one first, and after that we just have to find the same pattern to be followed on 429 and finding the answer after that, right? So the logic behind there is that how to find that 234 is related to 12. So students, here what we have to do to find the relation between these, let's just discuss now. Now students, if we talk about the level of the question, then we will discuss later on. Firstly, we are finding the solution. So here what the question is saying, 234. So if we are going to add the digits given in the particular number 234. So firstly we just add the digits here. So how 234 becomes 12, we just have to find the relation between 2, and 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4 is 9. So we are having a number 9 here. So if we double the number, the first step is what? The step number 1 is that you just have to add the digits, and after that you just have to double that one in the step number 2. Now let's just come to the other point. Through that one we are getting 18, but we just have to find 12. How 12 comes here? So for that one, the step number 3 is that you just have to multiply the first 2 digits given here. The first 2 digits are 2 and 3. We have to make the product of these two. So 2 into 3 is 6. Then we just have to subtract these two, and through that one we are getting a number 12 here. So from that angle, we just analyze in the 3 steps, we have find the solution of this particular numbers or the relation between the two. Similarly, we have to follow the steps on this particular number, right? So the step number 1 is that you just have to add the digits. 4 plus 2 plus 9, and the answer is 15. And now in the step number 2, we just have to double these two. Through that one, we are getting 30 here. Now the step number 3 is what? We just have to multiply the first 2 digits of the number, that is 4 into 2, and the answer is 8. Now we just have to subtract these two, and through that one we are getting a number that is 22. So 22 is the next number, we just have to find that one. So the right answer is option number C. Students, this topic is a number series topic, or we can also say that from the analogy, the first type is covered under the letter series, and the second type in the analogy is related to GK part, like we have seen the question of kilometers, volume, and in the third type we just covered the numbers related relation. And there some rules are there, and out of these, this first one rule we have covered here. Okay, so now let's just discuss the level of the question. So for that one, we can say that yes, this question is on the moderate side asked in this particular exam. Now let's just discuss the next question here, students. So the next question is again based on the figure where we have to find the same relationship as shown in this example. Okay, so here what we have seen is that they just a reflection and changing the sides of these dots from left to right side. So we can say that yes, this is a mirror image. This is a mirror image. Okay, so from that one we just have to find out which figure out of these 4 options are based on the completely same pattern, right? So students, if we fold these two, we are getting what? We are getting that these two taking the same position, right? So now we just have to find the same way. So if we are going with this first option, so here we have seen that a doll is something like there. So if we are going to fold these two, then the arm should be on other side, okay? So it means that the arm should be on this side, but no, this is not happened. If we fold these two, then we are getting that the arm comes here, which means that this option is wrong. Let's just discuss this one. So this is just a what? This is just a not a mirror image, na? So why? Because if we fold that one, so the circle comes here and this comes here, right? So it means this is also wrong here. Now let's just discuss the option number C. So in the option number C, we see that if the pictures get folded, then the arms come on the one side only, and similarly this part of the triangle comes on that part only. And now the next image is same, it means this is the right answer. We just have to find that one, okay? So from that angle we can say that this is perfect example of a mirror image as well, because the hands change the direction, which means from left to right, and similarly the inner part of the triangle also change in the same direction. So it means this is the wrong one. So students, it means the right answer is option number C for this figure based question, okay? So now the next question. Okay, so the next sixth question is from arguments based. It means you have given a statement, and this statement comes how following the which type of arguments is there. Like some persons are in the circle table and they are discussing some points here, and some arguments are from the A side and from the B side, and you just have to find out which arguments are right one here at the particular situation. So the question is, the statement is, should the government of India allow citizens to use cryptocurrency? This is the point of discussion here, right? कि इंडियंस को स्टेट गवर्नमेंट चाहती है अलाउ कर दे सिटीजन्स को कि वो क्रिप्टो करेंसी को यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ द फर्स्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट इज दैट यस, इट विल फैसिलिटेट citizens to send money instantly anywhere in the world without needing to visit the bank. Okay, the next point is no, cryptocurrency is decentralized and hence neither the government nor banks have any control over it. तो एक ने आर्ग्यूमेंट रेज किया है, हाँ कर देना चाहिए, बिकॉज इससे क्या होगा, दे विल गेट देयर मनी फ्रॉम फॉरेन कंट्रीज वेरी इजीली विदाउट इवन गोइंग टू द बैंक्स, राइट. सेकेंड पॉइंट बोलता है कि नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज क्रिप्टो करेंसी जो है अभी तक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की मोनिटाइजेशन मॉनिटरिंग के अंदर नहीं आई है, सो दैट्स वाई इसको अभी गवर्नमेंट का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, तो वो नहीं कर सकती. Yes, you just have to find out option number A, that only argument second is the right one here, valid here, and option number B says that no, neither A nor B is right one here. Option C says that only one is valid here, and option D says that both arguments are valid. So according to your own judgment, you just have to find the right answer, and the right answer for this one is option number D, both arguments have valid points. Sorry. So we can say that yes, both arguments have valid points, so on that basis option number D is the correct one answer here. So this type of question, students, completely based on your judgment, your way of thinking and your way of solving the particular answers. And now let's just check the other part. These topics are from statement and argument based question. Select the number from the among. Now you have given another series based on the numbers. So here we just have to find out that the replacement of the question mark out of these four options. So let's just find how to find that one. Students, listen to that one. If you have seen that the numbers are changing from single digit to only 2-digit type, or if the numbers are coming in like single digit only and 2 digit only, right? And we can also say that 3 digits only. So it means there is some addition or subtraction is doing on there. But if the numbers are changing frequently from single digit to 2 digit to 3 digit as well, so it means there is a multiplication doing on that series, right? So here we have seen that only 2-digit numbers are there. It means only addition or subtraction is doing here. How we just find that one? By subtracting the numbers. So we are subtracting second number from the first one. So similarly 34 minus 22, and the next number we are just writing x here, and the next number we have to find again. So let's just see, the first number shows what type of difference between these two. So the answer is 8 here. Okay. So the next number, let's see, 12. Next we just have to find out, so in the first one we have seen that the difference is of 8 and the difference is of 12. Out in between these two, the gap is of 4 units, na? So we just check from that angle. Maybe the difference in the other two are also 4 units. Like if we add 12 plus 4, it means the next may be 16. And if we do the calculations here, we are getting what? We have to find out the number here, and the number here is at 50. So if you look at the option, yes, 50 is there, but we just have to check it on the other part as well by applying the same thing. If x takes the value of 50, then the difference of 70 and 50 is 20. It means the difference between these two is working in the plus 4 sign. Okay, so this is the way to find the pattern, and this type of series we can say that is like a double shifting is doing here. Firstly, we just have to find that there is a difference of between these numbers, these two numbers, right? So we just have to find that one. After that, we will find it again that there is a gap of 4 which is common among all. On that basis, we can say that yes, 50 is the right answer, which is in option number A here. So 50 is the right answer here. And if we talk about the level, then this type is covered in first and second as well. So the level of the question is on the easy side. Okay. So now let's just come to the next question, question number 8, and check that this question is from which topic. Okay, students. So the next question is again on the figure based. So till now we have seen that mostly questions, 3 questions we have checked that most questions are from the figure based or the series based, where we have seen letter based as well as numbers based question, right? So 8th question is related to, we just have to find out again that question mark replace which option. So firstly, we just have to understand that one. In the very first figure, we have seen that 2 circles are there, which is common in all. So it means in the last one, we just see that yes, there may be 2 circles here, right? And the next part is that this type of a figure, this type of an arc, we can say that is in this particular direction. This direction is east direction. In the second one, this particular arc takes the position, we can say that south. In this one, it changes its direction. It means it moving in the clockwise manner in different figures. We can also say that, and we can also say that it changes the direction, and we are just taking the main direction. It means west direction is there, right? So you can also say that in the clockwise manner the direction changes, right? So in the next one, it has to come in the north direction. This arc has to become in the north direction. This is the point number 1 of guessing the figure, right? And the second one, we just see that in how many options the answer is on the north side. So out of these 4, D get cancel out because it is in the west direction, and we can say that yes, इनमें से कोई एक हो सकता है. Now let's just find the other one. So here we have seen that there is a dot in the next black belt, है ना? So 1 dot is there. In the second one, we have seen that 2 dots are there. Then this belt also changes the direction from, we can say, clockwise. Okay. So from this to this, and after that this direction. It means in the last one, this belt has to be covered in this part, है ना, in the clockwise manner, and the dots are getting also changed. 1, 2, 3. It means in the next one, dot has to be 4 here. Okay. So now let's just see that the arc is in the very first option. Arc is on the north side, and 4 dots are there, and belt is now on the clockwise manner in the south direction in the option number A. Yes. In the option number B, we have seen that there are 5 dots. No, we have to find 4 dots. So it means this is the wrong one, and in this one 3 dots are there. It means also this is wrong, and this is yes, our right answer. So figure based questions are very easy. You just have to find the logic behind it. Okay. So with that one, now let's just cover the next question, very next question, and the 9th question, which is based on. Student, this type of a question is based on the syllogism, or we can say that syllogs as well. So here we have to use Venn diagram to find our answer, and this topic name is syllogism. Okay. Now here the first statement is saying that all mangoes are not banana. It means the whole part of mangoes are related to banana in the form of note. So to show the note, we just have to mark a line and cross or in that one. It means this shows that this type of relation is of note. Okay. Now the second statement says that some mangoes are guavas. So some part of mangoes are covered in guavas, right? So we can say that yes, some part of mangoes are now covered in guavas. The conclusion number 1 says that some guavas are not bananas. So we just find that one. So yes, we can say that yes, all mangoes are not related to banana, and that part of guava which is covered in the mango is completely not related to that some part, not the all part. Some part which is covered in the mangoes is not related to bananas. So it means the conclusion number 1 is right here. Let's come to the conclusion number 2. All bananas are not mangoes. So now they are saying all bananas are not mangoes. So yes, there is a node relationship between these two. And if the statement is saying all mangoes not bananas, so it means all bananas not mangoes. It means the twos have a relationship of node between these two. So we can say that from that angle that yes, conclusion number 2 is also right. It means now we just have to find out option number A, B, C, D, which one is right. So both are right. It means option number D is the perfect answer for this question. Okay, got it? And the level of the question is on the easy side, right? So the right answer is option number D. I hope you understand the questions and you come to know that yes, reasoning is on the easy side, because if you are a new one, right, and a beginner who is going to prepare from the AAI exam, and from that angle if you are somewhere maybe anxious about that कि रीजनिंग कैसी होगी पेपर के अंदर, एंड यू आर समथिंग नर्वस कि रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस कैसे होते हैं, हमने कभी रीजनिंग पढ़ी नहीं है, फॉर दैट वन यू जस्ट हैव टू नो दैट कि जब आप सिलेबस कवर करेंगे ना, तो इन दैट केस हम जो आपको पढ़ाएंगे, सो इन दैट पार्ट वी जस्ट कवर्ड ऑल द टाइप्स जहाँ से आपके रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. एंड स्टूडेंट्स विद दैट वन आई जस्ट ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दैट students score 15 out of 15 in the reasoning section, or 14 to at least, right? So 14 or 15 is the highest score card because there are 15 questions in reasoning section and 15 से 15 score किए जा सकते हैं. You just have to understand the concept and just practice that one. And एक ही बार में आपको reasoning समझ में आ जाती है. You just have to find the logics. एक बारी logic समझने की देर होती है, reasoning में बस यही चाहिए होता है. Now the next question is select the option in which the numbers are related. Now we have given a set here. Abhi tak we have seen that series type of questions are there. This is also a type of a series where you have given a set and you just have to find out of these options which pattern, which option followed the same set. Okay. Now let's just first understand that how this pattern are related. So students, here we have given 25 or 2. So if we are going with the small number that is 2, तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, 2 into 5 gives you the value of 10. Let me just write it again. 2 into 5 gives you a number 10. From the end we are doing that one. We have 3 terms given here. So we are starting from the third term. Third needs to be multiplied by the 2, by the second term. So 2 into 5 gives the value of 10. And now we just have to double this one. Double, अपने आप double करना है. And we are getting the first term which is 20. This is the pattern followed here. Firstly, in the step number 1, we have to multiply the last 2, and after that, whatever the answer is there in the step number 2, we just have to double that one. And ये कौन सी वाले में follow हो रहा है? Let's pick the last option. तो if we are proceeding with that one, so 5 into 5 is 25. तो 25 का double होना चाहिए था. It means the answer should be 50 here, which is not the case. Next one is 8 into 4 is 32, which is not a case here. 2 into 5 10, 10 का double 20 होता है. 5 into 3 is 15, 15's double is 30. It means yes, this is the right answer. So we just write it here, 5 into 3 which is 15. So the double of 15 is 30. It means the answer is option number A here. Very easy now. So you just have to understand that one. Easy question. Let's just come to the next one. So with that one we have covered 10 questions and now we have left with 5 questions only of the reasoning section. Okay students, so in this particular one they are saying that in a certain code language, castle is coded in the digits form as well as chance is also coded. So students, whenever this is a type of a coding and decoding based, so topic number 1 जहाँ से we just start the reasoning part, this is coding and decoding. And students, in this type, if you have given that the words are coded in the numbers or digits. The letters are coded in the form of numbers or digits. So in that case, you just have to firstly find out that if there is any common letter in these two. These are just example to solve the answer. We just have to solve the answer of center. इसको decode करना है, इसको code करना है, sorry. So for the coding of this particular word, firstly we just have to find out any common letter. Yes, we have find the common letter, that is C as well as A. So you just have seen that C or A common है, then it means the code are also common among these. So the code of C we have seen here is 5. Let's just see in the second one, is the code of C is 5? Yes. So it means it is working on that pattern कि जो codes आपको सामने दिए हुए हैं वही उनके code हैं. Okay. Now the code of A is 3 here and the code of A here is also 3. तो इसका code भी 3 है. From that one we just have to find the code of center. So the code of C is 5, the code of E is 7. Again the code of N, we just check that is 1. Let's just find out, this is the code of C chance में, this is the code of H is 10 and the code of A is 3, code of N is 1 or we can say that 16 may be there, the code of C is 5, yes, it means the code of N is 16 here. The code of N is 16 here and the code of E is 7, we just find that one, and the code of N we just have to find is 16, code of T, from that one we just find that one also. This is the code of C, A, and 21 is the code of S, 22 is the code of T, code of L is 14 and the code of E is 7. Okay students, so now we are on what part? T का कोड क्या होगा? The code of T is 22 and the code of R. Okay, now we do not have any code of R. It means we stuck here. Let's just find that with elimination options we can find the right answer. So yes, there is only one option and that is the right answer. That is the right answer. So from that common thing, eliminating the options, we just find the answer. But if there are two options of similar options, we can say that. So yes students, the method can also be another one. The word given here is castle and we know that the position of C is 3, position of A is 1, S position is 19, T position is 20, L position is 12 and the position of E is 5. And they have coded that 3 plus 2, it means the code of C become 5. 1 plus 2, it means 3, 19 plus 2 which is 21, 20 plus 2 which is 22, 12 plus 2 which is 14, 5 plus 2 is 7. This is the way they have made the code here, and if you stuck somewhere ki the letter is not common among these two given examples, in that scenario you just have to find out the other logic or elimination method. So in that one we have explained both the methods. Right, so level of question we can say that on the easy side. Let's just come to the 12th question. Okay, so the next question is again alphanumeric, where you have given letters as well as numbers. So we just have to replace the question mark. So firstly B2, D5, G is 11, L 17, S 23. So we just have to find out how the numbers comes here. So for that one, let me just change the color because now we are going to find some logics here. Yes students, so the case may be 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus again 6, that is 17, and the next is 17 plus 6. Okay. So in the very first one we have seen that 2 से 5 ही बना है, after that 6 से 6, 6, maybe the next number is 23 plus 6 which is 29. Let's just check that from the letters angle as well. So B at 2 position 4, 7, 12 or 19. Okay, so let's just find the logic. B से D बना, B से D and D से G बना, E F को we just find that one कि E F छोड़ के G, hij, and after that we are getting 7 plus 7 plus, okay. So here we have find that 7 और 5 12, ठीक है. Here we just find that 12 plus 7 which is 19, okay. So the next number is, here we have seen 3 and 2. So 2 plus 3 plus, and the total of these two is 5, okay. So 5 plus 2 is 7. इस बेसिस पे भी हो सकता है and उस बेसिस पे भी हो सकता है. We just have to find it again. The next number is what? The next number should be the addition or in this one. So let's just see कि कौन सी addition यहाँ पे हो रही है. So yes students, so here we haven't find any common pattern. So let's just find out कि यहाँ पे they have done what? 2 and after that the next prime number 3. So 3 छोड़ के they have find out the other one 5. After that one 7 जो next prime number था, they have left that one, skip that one and come to the 11. And after that we just find कि ये logic तो नहीं बैठ रहा है ना. So we are doing the other one. Okay, so इसको cross कर देते हैं and now let's just write it again to make it clear to you. G11, L17, S23, okay. So here we have seen that they have left the next prime number which is 3. Here they left the 7 and after that the next number is 13 which left behind, and they are following the pattern of prime numbers here. And the next number यहाँ पे जो होना चाहिए था they haven't followed, that is 19, and after that we just have to find the next prime number which is 31 here, and they have left 27 in between, ठीक है. So we have find the number 31 which is available in option number A and D, and now we just have to find the letters. So B, D, G, L, S, and after that this S is on the 19th position, this is on the 12th position, ये 7 पे था, ये 4 पे और 2 पे था. It means plus 2 is there, plus 3 is there, plus 5 is there, and plus 7 is there. So the next prime number is what? 11. Yes, तो next prime number क्या होगा हमारा? 11 होएगा. From that one we are getting 30, but we have 26 letter. It means next 4 letter had to be read A, B, C or D. It means the right answer is D, 31, which is in option number D. So D is the right answer for this question. Now let's just find the other one. We can say that yes, the level of the question is on the moderate side. Okay, among all, if we compare, then इसमें this is the, we can say that on the moderate side question. So here students, the next question is from the arrangement based. We can say that dictionary based question, where you have to arrange the word as per the dictionary coming word and meaningful words as well. So now dictionary में तो नहीं हो रहा because they have given some different terms here. So from that one you can also say that they are saying that in the meaningful order. So इसमें से if you have given a question, then they may be related to the meaningful order as well as they may be related to the dictionary terms. ठीक है students, so from that one what we have to do, we just have to find arrangement in the ascending order as given in the options. So in the options, if they have given ascending order, you just have to find it accordingly. If they have given descending order, you have to find accordingly. So here we have seen that very firstly, the first term is of block, where only some part of that particular area is covered. So it means yes, this is our first point. After that, from block, if we collect some, assemble some blocks or merge some blocks, then we are getting a province. After province, we are getting a district, and from district to district, different districts, if they are getting merged, then we are getting a country, and after that, merging of countries become a continent, right? So the correct order, if you have seen that one, so the correct order is, firstly we have to see 2, है ना? Then 2, after that one we have to find that 1. Yes, let's just see. 2 is there, and after that we have to find that district. Block say district, and district say we have to go on to the 1. Yes, this is the point here. This is the point here. This is 2 and this is third one. So firstly we have seen block, after that जो होता है वो district बनता है. District से we are getting provinces. Okay, so इसमें थोड़ी mistake हो गई थी. You just have to understand that one. And on that scenario basis, we have seen that 2, 5, 1. Yes, 2, 5, 1, and after that 4 and 3. Yes, option number C is a perfect one, right? So option C is the right answer. Okay students, so level is easy one. You just have to understand some points here, nothing else. And second last question of the day. Now select the correct option. Again we have another based on the previous one, and we have to find meaningful order, not the dictionary word here. And from that one we just see that yes, Lucknow, we can start from Lucknow, and after that UP, after that India, after that Asia. Let's just check the pattern here. So they are doing it in this particular ascending order only. So 2 is the first number, and after that 4, after that 2, 4 and 3. 2, 4, 3, which is available here and here, and after that we have the another one, which is the, we have left world, Asia. It means yes, option number C is the right answer here. So option C is the right answer for this one question, and the level is easy. Again, now the last question of the day, students, and in the last question we have to find the coding as well as we have to find that the pattern based on this particular similar one. So F position is 6, A's position is 1, N position is 14, and X position is 24, 23 and 12. So we just have to find a common pattern here. So students, here we have find that -5 is there and plus 13 is there, -1 is there, plus 11 is there. Okay. Let's take a point here. Students, you have to answer this particular question, the answer of this one. I hope you are getting that, how to solve this one. You just have to find out which pattern is getting followed here on the basis of letter position or something else, right? So from that one you just have to find out the similar based option. Okay, so this is the last question of the day. With that one we have done with all the questions of this reasoning that was covered in the previous one exam, and with that one you come to know that how the question comes here, level of the questions as well. And if you want to join the batch, students, so I have explained that in the starting as well. You just call the number and you can book your seat as well, and we will start the batch from the Monday, that is 27th of July. With that, students, it's time to say bye. Thank you.